I uploaded a video last night for my VIP group around, I recorded the video at around 11:45 last night and went ahead and posted to the group. Reasons for not entering any trades at the moment and my thought process on Bitcoin. Here is the video from last night. It's going to be a quick update. We got Bitcoin on the 4-hour time frame. It's not looking bullish to me. It's still not looking bullish. I'm going to end up waiting on these alerts that are going off right now. So I have these different zones. You know, if we come down here to this area, we might look for a bounce on a lower time frame to potentially enter. I'd say around 1022 to 1015, somewhere in this area for us to potentially get a bounce. We do have a very slight area that it's been kind of bouncing off of. That's in blue, 1038 and 1035. Then we're at the very top of this level where we've, it's been, strong resistance, especially way over here. And right now it's trying to break above it. And then we have this other, it's just chopped. Like, this is so gross. It's just nothing but chop. And let's see here. 104, we can just call it 104.8. This level right here to 105.7. Once it breaks out of this, then, we'll look for longs potentially. If it comes over here, we'll look for longs. Of course, the next level we need a break is right around here, 108.6. But let me just show you what I'm looking at. So for Aerodrome, could we enter it? Sure. I mean, it went up 40% in these past like 2 days. And it's just creeping along, so about 35%. And what I want to see is I want to see it up. I want to see it get, kind of rejected in this area, come down, and then break up again. Because it's a very low market cap coin, you're going to see wicks, and that's fine. But instead of it retracing a little bit, it just started going up some more, going up some more. Could we enter this trade now? Sure, but it's a risk of 1-to-1. I don't like it. I really don't. I mean, I want to post charts so we can make money, but I don't want to post charts just to post charts, and then we lose. So here I would think that I would like to see it pull back to at least this white line, 0.8546, and then possibly start coming up. And then once it breaks this level, we could enter, or as it's coming up, we could enter. Again, this is on the 12-hour time frame. I have to point that out, 12 hours. And this corresponds to the 382 level. I would like to see potentially 0.5, just a little bit better since it is such a low market cap coin. However, because it's a low market cap coin, it doesn't have to pull back to 0.5. It could just pull back just barely because of such low market cap. It could just take off right away. But to me, it's too risky. Same thing with Ondo. My alert was down here right above. I don't know if you can see that. I'll zoom in a little bit. It was right above here. And the alert just went off. This would be potentially catching the bottom. But with Bitcoin being where it's at and what it's doing, could it go up? Sure. But it could also come up here and then just come down again. So this is what I'm looking at for Bitcoin possibly doing, coming up to about this level and then coming down and then start doing this to take this. And then from here, are we going to bounce up or are we going to continue coming down and then maybe doing something like this? So that is my decision point right around here. For Ondo, let's go to a smaller time frame. I went ahead and moved it way up here, but that's like 20% away. Look at that, 20% away. Oh man, it's rough out here, guys. It is really rough. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame and just kind of see what we're doing. We do have a bull flag, which more than likely might break out because Bitcoin is, kind of going up a little bit from the area that we're seeing. But I would absolutely hate to enter this trade. Our first target be under here, potentially. Let's just see what this is. I didn't even map it out. It's not, to me, it's not worth it. 6%. And I mean, we maybe do it here as to maybe here. So it's, again, a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. So I really do care about your money, and I don't want to put just coins up there just to say and brag if they do move. Oh, look at us, we did this. Because I don't want to wreck y'all. There's times where we lose trades, but the trades are great. The market's looking good, and then it just flips because of the back and forth. So right now, for me personally, I'd wait. If you were going to trade this, then I would do leverage, and my trade would be underneath this little zone. So about 2.5% would be my stop loss. And then for my target, I would do it underneath here. So this would be my trade right here. But it's just too risky for me right now. And more than likely we'll wait for tomorrow, see what Bitcoin does for us. And then we'll just take it from there. Again, you know, not being in a trade is good. It's still good. You know, because you're not losing your money. You're not risking your trades. And right now it's just nothing but chop. All right, I do thank you very much. This was a VIP exclusive video. I greatly appreciate you. If you have any questions, please post it in the VIP chat. I do thank you, and we will see you on the next one. Take care. Everything that I say is from experience. This is what's going to save you so much time, so much money, and so much effort. I have videos that are 3, 4, 5 minutes long on average. If you want to make money, I will show you how. I would strongly recommend getting the VIP. You're going to make money. Now, granted, none of this is financial advice. It's never hopes and dreams and empty promises, nothing like that. See what I do. See if this makes you money. I give you my real life experience based off of my trainings, based off of my teachings, what I would do at that moment versus what everybody else does, because they want to sell you their course. They want to sell you all that stuff. I show you that my stuff works. Do we win? Yes. Do we lose? Sometimes. That's part of the game. But what I do is I show you all this so that you can see, oh man, I lost today, but Joe said he lost too. So it's okay. That's what I want you to realize, guys. If you're curious on what we do in the VIP, strongly recommend send me a message on Telegram, trade_intuition. I have a welcome video. There's no sales pressure. I have nothing to sell you. You know, this, what I'm offering you right now is simply that. It's an offer. If you would like this to leverage your time, because I'm in these charts all day, join the group. And when we post setups, we don't post 10, 15, 20 charts a day. We post maybe 1 to 3 charts a day. When it gets really busy and really great, then of course we may post 5. But the main thing is I do not want to wreck any of my members. So what I'm doing is I'm actually posting the absolute best setups that I can find and when they're ready to move. There's a lot of groups out there that'll post a lot of charts and they'll say buy the breakout, buy the retest, and you end up buying the breakout or the retest, and then you're having to wait several days, if not longer, in order for the coin to move. When we post, there's a really strong chance that they're ready and they're moving within a few minutes after the post to maybe an hour or 2. Now, none of this is empty dreams or promises. Make sure to tune in every single day, Monday through Friday, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Saturday and Sunday at 4. We also do bonus streams. Again, my main goal is to make money with you and not because of you. Make sure that notification bell's on, because the bonus streams sometimes are at 12 midnight, 2 in the morning, 5 in the morning, 7 in the evening. It just varies. And if you're curious on what we do, ask for that welcome video. It'll walk you through the groups and what to expect. If you like the content that I provide, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and leave me a comment in the comment box. And I'll see you on the next video. And as always, let's make this money.